Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Claude Code CLI on Windows 11 operating system. So if I go into this command prompt, right there, Claude, then you can see Claude is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means Claude is not installed in my system. And let's use the CLS command. And if I write there pwsh minus minus version. So you can see PowerShell 7.55 that already installed. So in your system, PowerShell must be there. So with the help of this PowerShell, that's going to install their Claude Code CLI. For this one, in Google search box right there, Claude Code CLI download, then go on this site. Let's click this. Then you can scroll down. So this here for Mac OS, this is here. By using command prompt, you can install this, or by using this here, PowerShell. So, this command that's going to copy and now opening the PowerShell. PowerShell. Then after this command, you need to paste there and press enter. So iron, and this is the link, and now you need to wait for few minute times to complete this download as well as install. Now you can see setting up Claude. This successfully installed. This is the version and this location. Claude exe file is there. Now here path. So if I write, let's open the command prompt. Write there Claude minus minus version. So this still is not recognized. So what we need to do? So we need to go at this location there. We need to set the path. So here, let's go on this C drive. Then here C drive, and thereafter users users. Then here arjden dot local bin, and here you can see Claude exe file is there. So this location you need to copy. Thereafter in search box right there, edit system environment variable. Now click on this environment variable. Thereafter path. Click on edit and now name. Paste this location and now click on OK. OK. Thereafter, let's close this and now opening this command prompt again. Right there, Claude minus minus version. So this time you can see Claude 2.180 that's come there. So path that has been setted. After that, this place you can write here Claude. Okay. So let's close this PowerShell and now opening the PowerShell again. Let's write there Claude. So Claude code that's come there. From this place you can select the mode, this one and here, or you can use with this three different third party. Okay, let's use first option. So from this one you need to do the sign in. Accept all. So here you can do the login with Google or Claude. So let's use their Google login. Here you can also use their Olama. So if I write this place Olama, then you can here you can see Claude code that's detected first. That's going to select first option and now yes. And here you can write any question. Let's give there hi. So this is now. So give here top Windows command. So top Windows command. Now you can see this is the command that's coming there. Okay. So this is how we can install and use Claude Code on Windows 11, Claude Code CLI on Windows 11. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.